guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is QTD. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always coming back to my channel. In today's video, you're going to spend the afternoon with me. I'm in Vegas, so I'm going out right now. I'm going out to the pool. It's so hot. It is 121, so you can guess how hot it is. So this is the pool side. So guys, I'm done with swimming now. I'm back to the hotel. I'm already dressed up. I'll be stepping out in a few minutes. I want to go to Best Buy to see if I can get a camera. I've been using my phone, as you can see, but my phone is starting to give me some problems. So I want to see if I can get a camera. So guys, I will see you in my next clip. So here I was looking on different cameras with different prices. Some prices were really very high, but I knew exactly what I wanted and the range of the money that I wanted to spend. I'm happy with what I got. So after buying the camera, I was really happy and released from using my phone. You can tell how happy I am. Guys, as I told you earlier in my last clip that I was going to Best Buy to buy my camera. It's here. I bought a Sony. This comes like this. This is how the package looks like. Let me see what's this. This is the microphone. This is the cable. Then this is where the camera is. This is how it looks like. So let us welcome this camera to our family. I'll make a full view video about the camera after I have used it. If I don't know how to use it, I have to first watch some videos on YouTube to get some idea, and I'm going to read the book too. So that's how it looks like. It's flexible. You can turn it like any direction you want. Then you put it back. So that's how the camera looks like. I think that's all. They give you the cable, microphone. That's how it comes. So I'll make a full video, as I said, after I have used it. See how it is working. So guys, I'm already dressed up for dinner. I'm going out to this Nigerian restaurant. I'll show where I'm going. So this is my outfit. So guys, see you soon. I went to this West African restaurant. The place was really clean and not crowded. The staff was very friendly. I had fish plus plantain. The food was really good, but a little bit spicy. Generally, it was okay. I can go back.